Hi everyone, I'm here again to answer another question from a parent. It says here, can someone help with how to solve this using the bar model? Thank you. Let's begin. Eugene bought 27 comics and 12 magazines for $126. If 3 comics cost as much as 2 magazines, find the cost of each comic. So we know that 3 comics cost as much as 2 magazines. So let me start by representing the comics using 3 units and the magazines using 2 units. This is just for me to emphasize that 3 comics cost as much as 2 magazines. Eugene bought 27 comics, so I will add 24 more squares or 24 more units to the comics. So now we have 27 equal units. Eugene bought 12 magazines, so let me add 10 more units to the magazines. Notice that I'm very consistent with the sizes of the units because I want to emphasize that 3 comics cost as much as 2 magazines. The total cost of the comics and magazines is $126. So I'm going to draw a bracket on the right side which covers both the comics and the magazines. Then I will label that $126. Find the cost of each comic. So I'll mark 1 unit of the comic bar question mark. Now notice that the 18 units of the comics and the 12 units of the magazines are equal. Thus, we can replace the 12 units of the magazines with the 18 units of the comics. Why am I doing this? This is because our goal is for us to have equal units. That way we can compute for the cost of each comic. Now that we have equal units, we can now say that 45 units are equal to $126. That means for us to be able to get what 1 unit is equal to, all we have to do is to divide $126 by 45. And the answer is $2.80. Each comic costs $2.80. I hope I was able to show you how the bar model method can make it easier for the students to understand word problems. If you need more drills for your students or your children, this is the perfect book for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method from Beginner to Advanced Level. A very good feature of this book is that it contains QR codes that you can scan that will lead you to videos of the discussion of the word problem examples and the answers to the practice exercises and chapter tests. Interested? All you have to do is to scan the QR code right here. If you are a parent or a teacher who wants to learn how to teach children Singapore math, I have an on-demand webinar for that. I will cover how to teach preschoolers, grades 1 to 3, and grades 4 to 6 students the Singapore math method. Now, if you want to learn more about the bar model method and how you can help your children learn this, I also have an on-demand webinar for teachers and parents on this. I will be covering addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models. We will also answer one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems. I will also answer some frequently asked questions about the bar model method. If you want to enroll, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye.